Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Cassie from Dragon Tales. So grab your marker and follow along with me. As usual, the eyes. So we're going to do the bottom part of the eye. And I'm just going to make a light curve to the top. And as we always do, let's make it nice and curvy all the way over the top. Now on this side, we're going to draw the other eye. I'm just going to draw a little line like this, about like that. I'm going to draw a curvy line up, make it nice and round, bring it back. So Cassie's face is off to the side. We're going to draw the pupil, the iris, on this side as well, the pupil and the iris. Light reflections, and then let's color the pupils in. Now we're going to draw the nose. First up, I'm just going to draw a little nostril, and on this side, you're just going to draw two little nostrils. You're going to make it nice and curved on top, and this one a nice curvy line on top as well. Now right here, we can connect the nostril and the eye, and we're going to make a little cheek on that side. Now right here below, I'm going to start with a smile. So I'm going to start here at the bottom. And I'm just going to bring it up all the way up to there. A little hook. And there. And there's the mouth. And now we're going to draw the teeth. There's one tooth. There's the other one. And then from here at the bottom, we're just going to draw a chin. Like that. Now we're going to jump to the top. First, let's do the cheek first. Maybe that's going to be easier for us. So about roughly there, you're just going to draw a little cheek there. Good. And here on the side, I want you to draw a little horn as well. Then we're going to start with the eyebrow. So I'm going to start right up there, and I'm going to draw an eyebrow all the way around. And then here, a little eyebrow, and I'm going to connect it. And then from here, we're going to draw eyelashes. Let's make it 3 eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. And on this side, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to do the hair. We're going to start from the horn, and you're just going to make a curvy line down, and you're going to stop between the eyes. Then you're going to make a little curve up, and now from here we're going to draw the hair. And I'm just going to draw a piece of hair standing up like this. And then I'm just going to make another little crease there, and then we're going to do the top part like this, and then you're just going to make it a bit wider, and you're going to connect it. So there's the top part of the hair. Now from here, you're going to draw the head, and you're going to connect it like that. And now we're going to do the hair at the back. So from the horn, I'll just make a little line out like this, and I'm going to draw some hair there as well. There we go. And a little hook there. And now right there we can take the head around, and we can connect it to the cheek. And then you're going to start up there. And this hair. And then the last piece of hair right here at the bottom, connected to the cheek. Now from here, I'm just going to draw the neck. There we go, there's the neck. Now there's a chain around the neck, a little necklace. We're going to do this, and we're going to do that. And I'm going to leave a mark open, a little space open, and I'm just going to draw some circle there. And then from here, we're going to draw just 3 little marks and make it nice and round. And there's a little necklace, and we're going to start up here, take it all the way around, connect it, and then all the way around, connect it. And there's a little necklace. Now I'm going to draw the arm first before we do anything else. I'm going to do the shoulder. I'm just going to make a curve down, and on this side I'm just going to make another curve down. And now we're going to draw a thumb. We're going to draw the first finger, the second, and the third. And then it's just going to draw the palm, and you're going to connect it. There we go, there's an arm. Now right here on the shoulder, there's 3 or 4 little dots that we'll color blue later on. Now what I want to do now is draw this leg first before we do anything else. You're going to start here and you're going to draw a knee, and that would be a knee. And then below, you're going to draw another mark for the bottom of the leg. So you're just going to draw these marks, and then you're going to draw a line down and a shorter line down. And now we can draw the foot. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a toe. Toe like this, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to draw a nail inside, and I'm going to connect the toe to the knee. And we'll do the same. Let's draw the nails first. So I'm going to draw 3 little nails next to each other, and now we can draw a toe. There's one toe and there's a second toe. We can draw the bottom of the toe and the bottom of the toe. We're going to start here and we're going to draw a heel, and maybe I'll draw something like this, a little toe area as well. And there's a foot, 3 dots that we'll color blue later on. We're going to color it in, and now we can draw the body. So I'm going to roughly draw a body all the way around. Now what I'll do is, I'm starting here at the necklace, and I'm just going to make a little mark like this, a series of bumps, and you can make it round all the way around to the bottom. Now on this side we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a bump and another bump. So as you can see, there's lines sort of connecting them, and then another one, and there's another one. Now we'll draw the other leg. So as we're done with this knee, we're going to do the same thing here. A knee, the front part of the leg, and I'm going to draw a toe, a nail, another toenail, and a last toenail. And I'll just draw the toes like this, connected at the bottom. Now here, back of the leg, the foot, and then connect it there. Now we can draw wings. So I'm going to draw a wing first. So on this side, I'm going to start by the arm, and I'm just going to bring it all the way around, and I'll connect it like this. There's a wing. We're just going to draw some texture inside. There we go. And then on this side, we'll do the other wing. There we go. Perfect. Now we can draw the back. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw the back down. And on the back, we have these little scales standing up. I'm going to draw another line like this, because this is going to the tail now, and another scale there. Now we're going to follow through with this design. So I'm just going to draw 1, 2, 3 bumps, and I'll just take it back. So it's going like that. And now we can draw a tail. Now I'm going to do the bottom part of the tail. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to connect it here to the other side, like that. And now on this side, I'm just going to draw another one, and I'm going to bring it up, and then I'm going to stop, because I want to draw these scales on the tail as well. So I'm going to start with a very small one, and maybe another one there, and another one there. Now I can link them together and bring it back to the tail, and there's our little tail. And then we can draw maybe 3 little spots here as well that we can color in later. And there's Cassie. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.